What are the steps you take to clean the data? For example, we have a table and a column invoice number. This column has many values but has certain empty values as well. It is required to replace all these empty values with something specific like NA. How would you do that? Now there are multiple ways to solve this. Let's have a look. The first is to go to data and analysis, select the column, expand this, and there are two options. One is recommendations and second is the settings and the details. When you click on this gear icon, a lot of good information about this particular column is available here. There is also an option to replace the empty values. Select this drop down, select a specific value and enter NA. Moment to click outside, have a look in the right filter. The data is now replaced. All the empty values are now replaced with NA. That's the simplest way to do this. Let's undo this. Another way to do the same thing is by details on demand. Let's open details on demand by clicking view and details on demand. We see that we have these empty values over here. Right click, there is an option of replace value. Replace these values with NA. When you click apply, all the empty values are now replaced with NA. This is another way to do this. Another way can be to use the transformation. Go to data and choose transform data. We have multiple transformation options. We have replace value option. When you click replace value and click insert, first of all you have to choose the right column, which is the invoice number. Previous value is empty and replace this value with NA. When you click OK, all the empty values are now replaced by NA. So that's another way to do this. Let's undo this. Okay. Now, again we go to data, transform data. We also have an option of calculate and replace column. Select this and click insert. Select the column invoice number and write this expression. Case when invoice number is null, then NA, else you keep the same value, end. And the new column name will be the same, invoice number. Click OK and click OK. Again, the empty values are now replaced by NA. One more way is to create a calculated column. But what happens in this step is the original invoice number remains the same and we create a new column that is NA. So you do not disturb the original one, but you create a new column with the required transformation. Let's undo this. Let's go to data, column properties, insert and calculated column. Insert the same expression that we have written some time back. Let's name this column invoice number new. Click OK. Now if you search for invoice number, we have new column invoice number new. Let's change the filter type to list box. You see, whenever we have empty, the invoice number new is NA. So in the new column, the empty is replaced by NA. And you can use this new column in the display and the chart purposes. In case it is required, not disturb the original data set. These are few of the multiple ways to do this transformation. Hope this was useful for you. Thank you.